What is going on, guys? Cody from KHC here, and in today's video we have one of our Raptors in the KHC family. Now this is a 2017 Gen 2 Ford Raptor in a SuperCab, and in this video we are going to be doing a full build breakdown of this Raptor. Now guys, let's start off with some fiberglass talks. We have ADVs +2 in the front and rear, and then sitting underneath these fiberglasses, we have KMC's KM552 IMS beadlock wheel in a machined finish. Now wrapped around these KMC wheels, we have a 37-inch Mickey Thompson Baja Boss AT tire. Now, one of our favorite things that we build over here at KHC is our front bumpers and our rear bumpers. So we do have the KHC frame cut front bumper for the Gen 2. Now in this frame cut front bumper, we have some Baja design lights, whether that is the squadrons in the middle or the S1s on the wings. Now in the front, you can see here, we have 2 ambered squadrons as well as 4 clear squadrons. Now in the wings, we have the clear S1s. Now with all this lighting here in our front bumper, you will not have any issues on the trail. Now continuing on talking about Baja design lights, we actually have some SDHQ 8-pillar mounts, and on those mounts are some Baja Designs XLADs. Now all this lighting from the front bumper to the 8-pillar lights, it's exactly what you'll need, whether you're on the trail, on some dunes, or just having fun at night. Now that we've talked about the front bumper a little bit, let's talk about the rear dovetail bumper. We have some S2s from Baja Design Lights in a clear, which are absolutely perfect for the reverse. All right, guys, let's move on to the next one, and that is our KHC mid-travel kit. This one, to be exact, is the 1.5 mid-travel kit. We offer it as well in a 2.5 mid-travel kit. Now, you ask, what comes in our mid-travel kit? Well, to start, we have our upper control arms, our knuckle, lower control arms, tie rods. Now running with this mid-travel kit, we have Fox's 3.0 FRS Coilovers along with Fox's 3.8 secondary shocks in the front. Now for these secondary shocks, we obviously have our KHC secondary shock mount, which I highly recommend if you are going to run this setup. Now built into our mid-travel lower control arms, we have bump stop plates on it, which means, guys, we have a KHC front bump stop kit with Fox bump stops. One other thing to note for our mid-travel kit, we also do have limiting straps built into it. Now guys, the next thing that I'm going to mention is our KHC slot delete kit. I tell everyone who goes off-roading with their Raptors, this is an absolute must. To be exact, on this Gen 2, we have a Stage 3, which is the biggest slot delete and most protective kit that we offer. Whether it is a Stage 1, Stage 1.5, 2, or 3, whatever it is, get it because it will save you in the long end. In the front, we have also switched out the axles. Here we have RCV axles that are made for this truck. And one last thing to quickly mention that we have recently come out with is actually a mid-travel kit knuckle light. Now on this knuckle here from our mid-travel kit, we have a Baja Design S1 mounted on it in a amber. Now guys, let's move down the truck, almost to the rear, but not quite yet. We have KHC's running boards, which I absolutely love because unfortunately we do not offer them. Sometimes we will make them for customers here and there if they really want them, but we do not offer them online, so they are very sought out after. Now underneath these running boards, we do have KHC's mid mud flaps. Now this is an older design. We have a new updated mid mud flap design that is absolutely killer, and everyone is eating them up because, guys, it is perfect for protecting that rear suspension in the back. Now, speaking of rear suspension, let's talk about it. All right, guys, let's talk about the biggest point of this build, and it is the one-of-one 3-link Wishbone on this vehicle. Now, what's amazing about this 3-link is that you do not actually need to move your stock gas tank, which is very common in a lot of other kits. Now an awesome stat for you guys on this 3-link is that it is capable of 18 to 20 inches of travel using 16-inch travel coilovers and 18 inches of travel bypass shocks. All frame brackets are bolted on with only welding required being the axle brackets. Now to give you guys an idea of the whole kit and caboodle and everything that is included, so with the Wishbone 3-link you get trailing arms, an upper wishbone, frame mounts for the wishbone and trailing arms, a bed cage with all frame mounts, rear sway bar kit with the frame mounts, axle brackets and strike plates and truss, which are weld on, whether it's a Curry or stock axle. One of the things that I love about this 3-link is that the cage is also included and it all ties in together as one unit. Now, what's amazing about this bed cage is that it is a dual tire carrier as well. Obviously, we have 2 spare tires of the KMC wheels and they are strapped in with Alpine spare tire straps. Now let's talk about the Fox suspension that we have in the rear connected to our 3-link Wishbone. We have a Fox 3.0 by 16 coilover in the rear, as we mentioned, as well as a 3.5 by 18 bypass in the rear. Now we do have KHC's rear bump stop kit with limiting straps and Fox bump stops, as well as the KHC rear sway bar, which is included in the 3-link Wishbone kit. All right guys, now that we've talked about the mid-travel, the 3-link Wishbone, front and rear bumper, lighting, let's talk a little about performance mods. So starting off, we have KHC's heavy-duty intercooler mount with AFE's intercooler. We have a Cobb intake, AFE charge pipes, Turbo Smart blow-off valve, a Mishimoto transmission thermostat coupler and transmission cooler. We have SPD turbo adapter. We have KHC's high clearance tailpipe kit. We have a MPT PRX tune with an N gauge, BBK throttle body, and JLT dual-sided oil catch can. Now the last thing that I mentioned was a oil catch can. For all you guys who are Gen 2 and Gen 3 owners with the V6 turbo, I highly recommend investing in a catch can. Now with all that power, you need stopping power as well. So we have Alcon's big brake kit all around on all 4 corners, as well as custom steel braided brake lines. Now at KHC, we offer a lot of skid plates because you want to protect the underneath of your truck when you are off-roading. So this Gen 2 has KHC's full skid plate kit as well as gas tank skid. And I promise you guys, we have been running these trucks for a long time and you can see underneath on those skid plates the beating that they take and what would have caused plenty of damage when we were off-roading if it wasn't for those protections. Moving on to another big part of this build is the factory 9 3/4 modified Curry full floater kit. We also have an ASR 20+ transmission with a stage 2 build kit, Nitro 456 gears front and rear, and an actual exchange rear drive shaft. Now I have 2 more mods that I have to mention, guys. It is KHC's bed support with flagpole holder, as well as KHC's 3rd brake light setup with rugged radio. All right guys, well that is it for today's video. This is the full build breakdown of our Gen 2 Raptor here at KHC. You have our mid-travel, our 1-of-1 3-link Wishbone in the back, our front bumper, rear bumper, all the performance mods, Alcon brake kits. What else could you ask for, guys? And as always, don't forget to leave a like, comment down below what you thought about this build or how you would build your Gen 2 Raptor. And as always, subscribe to the YouTube channel, join the KHC family, and we'll see you guys in the next one.